Let's draw a dream catcher. You're going to pick a spot on your page to begin the center circle. So draw a small circle on your page wherever you'd like, and then outline that circle with another one. Next, to ensure that we use symmetry, we're going to find and plot the dots for our outer circle. So put one at the top and have one equidistant on the right, on the bottom, and on the left. Now you can follow those dots and create curves that connect to make one large circle around your dream catcher. Now the dream catcher was said to be spun originally by the spider, and so it's going to have 8 points. So I want you to bring out 2 curvy lines that meet each of the 4 dots that we created for our big circle, and have those go out almost like flower petals. And this is going to create 4 of the legs of the 8 legs of the spider. And then you're going to mark the center of those lines that are going from diagonals across the dream catcher. And these are going to create the extra set of 4 legs to make the 8 legs of the spider that wove the dream catcher. Now we're going to create the illusion as if it's string being pulled. So we're going to create these inverted letter V's going up all the way across the ring. And when we come back across with our shape after these, we're going to start from point to point. You'll see in just a moment. So start with the big point, and you're going to bring it down to the low point and back up to the big point. And that's going to give the illusion that it's string being pulled. And you're going to do this all the way across your dream catcher. Now we're almost done. Let's go ahead and create the band all the way around. So carefully follow the exterior of your circle and have both ends meet back at the top. I'm going to go ahead and add some beads on the right side, on the left side, and at the bottom, and these are where my feathers are going to hang. So I just create small circles on the right, left, and one on the bottom. And our dream catcher is going to be catching dreams, and so we're going to give the illusion that the air is blowing the dream catcher. So when you bring your lines down for the strings and the feathers, make them kind of curvy so it looks like it's moving in the wind. fun with it. Go ahead and add all the extra details that you want and make this unique to you.